Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to screen record on your MacBook with internal audio. As you probably know, if you use the built-in QuickTime player to record your screen, it won't capture the system sound. This is because Apple prioritizes privacy and doesn't include this feature natively. Because of that, to record your screen with audio, you need a third-party app. To help you avoid complicated setups like Black Hole, I'm going to walk you through installing OBS Studio. It's a professional tool, but this video is for everyday users, so we won't get bogged down in technical details. I'll give you a quick guide to get you set up and recording in under 5 minutes. First, head over to the official OBS Studio website at obsproject.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see 3 buttons for different operating systems. We'll pick Mac OS, and then choose the version for either Apple Silicon or Intel chips. Just download the one that matches your Mac. Once it's downloaded, double-click the DMG file. Next, drag the OBS icon into your Applications folder. At this point, you'll see a virtual drive mounted on your desktop or in your Finder sidebar. Since we're done installing, just click the eject icon to unmount it. Now you can open OBS using Spotlight like any other app. Just press Command Space and type OBS. In the Review App Permissions window, you'll need to grant the app access to your camera and microphone. Just click through the buttons to give it the necessary permissions. After granting permissions and restarting the app, a window will ask you about 3 setup options. Choose Optimize just for recording and click Next. Next, pick your resolution. Usually, Full HD is the way to go. Then, select your frame rate. If you're recording fast-moving content, go with 60 FPS. Otherwise, 30 FPS is perfectly fine. Click Next and then apply settings. The newer versions of OBS have a slightly tweaked interface. Here's what you need to do. Look at the Sources section. Click the plus icon to add a source. A source is basically whatever will appear on your canvas and get recorded. So first, we'll add a screen recording source. Select Mac OS Screen Capture and click OK. Now, under the Display dropdown, choose the name of your monitor if you have more than one and hit OK. At this point, the canvas might look a bit messy, but don't worry about it. Just right-click on the screen, select Transform, and then Fit to Screen. Now look at the audio mixer. It will automatically add an audio input to capture your voice. If you don't want your microphone recorded, just mute it or turn it off. Pay attention to the right side where it says Mac OS Screen Capture. This is the internal audio coming directly from your MacBook. To start capturing, just hit Start Recording. I'll minimize this window and play a song on my computer to test it out. When you're done, hit Stop Recording. To view your file, go to the File menu at the top and select Show Recordings. This opens the folder where your videos are saved, which is usually the Movies folder by default. If you open it up, you'll see your screen recording along with the crisp internal system audio. If you only need the basics, you're all set. But if you want to dig a little deeper for better quality, click the Settings button. Go to Output. Change the output mode to Advanced and switch to the Recording tab. Scroll down to Video Encoder and select X264. Under Encoder Settings, bump up the bitrate. I usually set mine around 20,000. Now go to the Video tab. In my personal experience, I like to set the base canvas to 4K and the output scaled resolution to Full HD. Setting it up this way gives me a noticeably sharper final video compared to just setting the canvas to Full HD right from the start. Let's test it out by hitting Start Recording one more time. As you can see, the quality of this second video is much better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.